BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the December 2025 box. Now, the box is $24.95 per month, and you get at least $100 worth of products in there. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So the Holiday Soiree kit will include Allies of Skin Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser, full size, retails for $41. Medic 8 Press and Glow Toner, full size, retails for $35. MC Skin Hydrate Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask, full size, retails for $30. Plum Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum Elite, full size, retails for $79. Plum Elite 3mm. Their SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore Deluxe Formulator retails for $13. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.